Hey everyone, I am sharing with you my take on perfume bottle pinata cake. So let's get started. For this we require a dome-shaped pinata silicone mold. Pour melted chocolate and swirl it all around. I have melted white chocolate and added pink gel color. You can use any color of your choice. Roll the melted chocolate properly to cover the walls well and remove the extra. Freeze for 10 to 15 minutes. It's ready for second coating. Using pink fondant, make roses as shown. Make as many as you want in different colors. Take a thick rope of white fondant to make the neck of the bottle. A square block of fondant to make the cap of the perfume bottle. Here we have a chocolate sponge. Trim the edges. Layer the cake. Take one layer and put syrup and spread chocolate ganache. Repeat the same process. Cover the sides with chocolate ganache. Carefully unmold the chocolate dome. Loosen the sides and carefully take off the silicone mold. What a nice shiny chocolate dome! Scrape the extra edges with the knife. Place the goodies and any surprise element you want to put in. Place the dome carefully over it and seal the ends with a fondant rope. Work on the neck and cap of the perfume bottle to give a real look. Place the fondant roses. Add a fondant pearl string to complete the look. Write the name of your favorite perfume. I am using edible black gel color. A very nice, girly, lovely perfume bottle pinata cake is now ready. Enjoy!